Hello guys and welcome. Today we have this famous question right here. 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 1. And these are the options we have to select the correct answer from. This question has actually caused a whole lot of argument on the internet. These people are saying this is the right answer, others are saying that is the right answer. So, which is which? Let's check it out. In fact, where you start from really matters. If you start from the right to the left, you will get an answer. If you start from the left to the right, you also get an answer. But one thing I know about mathematics is that the math in America is the same thing in Africa, is the same thing in Asia, is the same thing in Australia. So how come the same question we are getting two different answers, but there's a claim that all the answers are correct? To get one and only solution, we have to make use of an acronym called PEMDAS. Check it out. PEMDAS. The P stands for parentheses, others call it brackets. The E stands for exponents, that is a number to a certain power. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and then S for subtraction. And this is how it goes. We move from the top to the down like this. But there is an exception. If you have a problem where we have multiplication and division in the same problem, then the priority is given to the one that comes first. So let me do M/D. Cool. And that we move from left to right. So let's say we have A times B divided by C. Moving from left to right, we see that multiplication comes before division. And if that happens, then we need to operate the multiplication first before the division. In the same way, if you have a problem that we have addition and subtraction all appearing in the same problem, the priority is given to the one that comes first, moving from left to right. So now that we know this, we can actually tackle the question. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, do we have parentheses in the problem? Of course, we have it right here. That is the bracket right here. So let's operate that first. We write 6 divided by 2, then do what is inside the parentheses. 2 plus 1 is 3. Remember, we still have parentheses right here, but inside it, it is only one term. That is the 3 right here, and we can't do anything to it. So what we need to do is to rewrite this in the form of multiplication. That is 6 divided by 2 times 3. Check this out. We have division and multiplication all appearing in the same problem. If that happens, then we have to make good use of this rule right here. The priority is given to the operator when we are moving from left to right. And we can clearly see that from left to right, division comes before multiplication. Therefore, 6 divided by 2, that is going to be 3, and times 3 right here. 3 times 3 is 9, which happens to be option B. So I'm going to put a dot right here. And there is another claim that, let me get rid of this. In the olden days, this is what they used to do, and that is how come the argument is so strong. I really love it. Check this out. 6 divided by 2, and then they will simplify the inside first. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And right from here, they will never multiply this. This is how they do it. 6 divided by 2 times 3. Why is this possible? They are saying that this is possible because if you have anything as x divided by 2y, this is the same as x divided by 2y. So that is how come we have this. And right from here, if we simplify this further, we have 6 divided by 2 times 3, that is also 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So they are also claiming that the correct answer is 1. But the question is up to us, which is which. In fact, in the modern days, this is what we are using. So I'm going to take this as the correct answer. But the claim is also strong from the olden days. But currently, this is what we are doing. So the correct answer is 9. So guys, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Give me a thumbs up, share the videos, and see you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.